Hello, how are you? I've just finished at the gym and I'm back. I've got about 30 minutes until my friend Dave and his girlfriend Kirsten, who I actually went to school with, hi Dave and Kirsten, are coming round. Kirsten asked if I'd cut Dave's hair. And I said, yeah, let's try this. So this is my first cut by myself, so essentially no educators and tutors around me. And I know I can do it. Dave's in the seat. How you feeling?
I'm
good?
Very relaxed.
Very relaxed. You've just had a Bloody Mary, so
I have.
the Bloody Mary will help with that. So you are thinking just a bit of length off.
Yeah. So a nice shorter fade round the side and then some length and weight off the top.
Yeah. It's more kind of like the styling too, isn't it? So we'll just take a bit of weight off.
Yeah.
Start with a clipper work.
Yeah.
We'll do 2. We'll see how that looks.
Yeah.
If it looks too... I mean, if it looks too short, then it's
too late,
short.
isn't it?
But then you can see. So I do think that a 1 might work, or even just a 1.5 and take it down slightly. So we'll do a 2.
Alright.
We'll do all the clipper work first, and then we'll move on to the top. Okay, so that would be a 2 length. Obviously it will all be connected, so you're not going to have that weight line.
Yeah.
So turn your head. What I could do is I could do a really low one so that the one is there, and then that would all be connected, so it'd be slightly shorter there, or you can keep it as a 2. There, I would say we'd go in like a low 1 placement line and then have it all faded up, and then neaten all this sort of neckline out.
Okay.
One placement line, and then we'll just fade it so it's all nice and neat. So this is me putting in the profile line. So this kind of dictates the length of the hair on top. Then we cut all the top, then move into the back, and then we connect, neaten it all up, and then that's basically it. So for the length on top, do you want to just sort of dust it? So just take, say, like 0.5 centimetre off, and then just, because I think you shouldn't cut too much off the top.
I agree. The only bit I think I'm doing a tiny bit more off is the fringe.
Yeah. Okay.
But yeah, the top I think.
Cool. So I've kept it slightly shorter in the back, longer in the front, and then it means when you grow this, it'll have more weight to
Slick it back. This is the most fun barber experience ever. And then you can like.
getting there, and the Amazon order has just arrived. Of the cape. I ordered a cape. So Dave, we can get the new cape on you if you want.
Oh please.
We've literally got hair everywhere. I'm happy with this cut. Dave seems to be happy with it. I've said that if he's not happy, then we'll go back to it. But these are the products that Dave has bought. So we're going to use these. Bumble & Bumble Surf Spray and Label M Matte Paste. I'll link below in the description, but this I love. Okay. You've been using this, yeah?
Couple times. Special occasions.
I really like Bumble products. Dusting, boosting powder. This one is American Crew. If you just separate the hair into sections and tap it in and then work in, but it just has like a little bit of tackiness. I like using this for sort of like day to day, so it means it doesn't look like your hair is full of product, but it means that it will give you some style. Label M Matte Paste, one of my absolute favourites. Oh, you've used a fair amount, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Into the hands, warm it up, brush forward. brush away from the way you want it to go, so the hair is fully coated, and then take it in the way you want it. There we go. Dave, how are you feeling?
Good.
Were you nervous for me to cut your hair?
Do you know what? I was completely relaxed the whole time. Genuinely,
Good.
yeah.
I mean, I did get you a Bloody Mary.
True. And
A Bloody Mary and a whiskey, which I think every single barber should be doing.
Mm.
Okay, so Dave and Kirsten have just left. That was my first ever solo cut. I did it. I don't think it was perfect, but I was really pleased with it. And actually, if someone gave me that cut, I would be happy. This will come with experience, but for now, I'm going with it, and you've got to start somewhere. So there you go. I've done my first solo cut. I've done it. We'll see what the next bits have in store for me. But I'm gonna have a large whiskey now. I really just want to chill. Actually, I'm going out for lunch, so that's not gonna happen. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying this. I hope you're enjoying this new experience that I'm taking you on. Me sort of learning all of this. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm excited, but it will be good. But thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then the buttons are going to be all around me. I think it's going to be there. Yeah, subscribe there. Blog is there. Instagram is up there. I'll be putting cuts and things on there. There's also the podcast in there. But I'm going to see you in my next new video. Bye.